Welcome back, everyone. I'm making this video after so long. Most of my friends would know on my Instagram profile that I've become a realtor, so I've started selling houses in Calgary and Cochrane surrounding areas. And that's what was the reason that I was preparing for that, plus a full-time job. Didn't get much time to make YouTube videos, but I'm back. I've got some new content which will put a really great impact on people looking for houses, saving money. Definitely I'll be posting something off the topic with regards to my travel, my experience in Canada, like I have been posting since past few years on and off. Now this particular video is about money. I have saved thousands on interest on my house mortgage. We bought a house in 2022. It's due renewal in May, and since last 1 year we have been paying a little bit extra towards the principal amount for my mortgage, and I have saved thousands of dollars. I'm gonna do the same for next 3 years. Basically two very important benefits. You will pay off your mortgage way before, I would say few years, depending upon how much extra money you're putting towards the principal. The second thing is you're saving in interest a lot. Usually the houses are getting paid off in 25 to 30 years. You actually pay the same amount of money in interest, which is a lot. So let me give you an example. Now most people think saving money on a mortgage requires a massive windfall, and I'm going to show you how I saved thousands in just last 12 months using one tiny habit, just one habit, and how I'm planning to save even more in coming this year during renewal in May 2026. I started looking at it as a debt that needs to be defeated. Now I started small, consistent amount to the principal, and I drastically reduced the interest the bank could charge me. What was a call to action? I've attached a mortgage calculator spreadsheet down in the comments, and I used to track whatever amount I'm spending. So download that file and you will plug in your own numbers as we go, okay? Now, let's look at 2026 scenario, which is coming year. Let's say you have a house mortgage for $500,000 at 4.9% standard industry rate for 25-year term, right? Now the baseline is the monthly payment is $2,879. Now over 25 years, you aren't just paying $500,000, you are paying back $863 approximately. That is $363,000 in interest alone in 25 years. That's insane, right? Now $100 habit. What happens with a $100 habit? You pay $100 extra every month, right? Now you will roughly save $17,500 in total interest. And trust me, I did it last year. The time I saved was 14 months, over a year of your mortgage. So you pay off your mortgage 1 year in early. The breakdown here is because the extra $100 never touches the interest bucket, it goes straight into the principal. The bank has a smaller balance to charge interest now on every single month for the next 2 decades. Can you imagine how much money you will save on interest? The renewal strategy for 2026, many of us are renewing in 2026, right? This year. And if you start 5-year term in 2021 at 2% or 3%, your new 4.9, 4.5, even 4% interest is going to feel like a jump, right? And here is how I am handling my 2026 renewal. The strategy number 1 is the lump sum window. Renewal is your get out of jail free card. It's only time you can pay down a large chunk of your mortgage without a penalty. I've been saving renewal fund over the last 1 year to drop it into mortgage the day it renews. The strategy 2 is payment matching. If you can afford it, keep your payments at the same level, even if rates drop later. If rates goes from 4.9 to 4.5 or 4 in future, don't lower your payments. Keep it same and let the difference go to your principal, because you can afford it, right? Paying that much amount of money. The strategy number 3 is shop the 120-day mark. Don't wait for the bank letter in the mail. Start shopping 4 months out of luck in best 2026, right? So my renewal is due in May. I've started shopping around from now. I still have 5 months. Let's deep dive into the spreadsheet. Now open the link in the description. My spreadsheet is very simple. You put in your $500,000 balance, your 4.9% interest, and 25-year term. Simple. Let's go from here. Now, what if game? I want you to toggle the extra payment box. See what happens if you do $100 extra every month, right? Then see what happens if you do $200 every month. Just to give you an idea, you will see the interest saved number jump from $17,000 to $33,000 instantly. The visibility is when you see the end date of a mortgage move from 2051 to 2049. If you change the psychology, it's no longer a 25-year mortgage, right? So what do we learn today? What is the conclusion? The secret to wealth isn't always making more, it's keeping more of what you already have. By denying the bank that $17,500 in interest, you are paying that money to your future self. What's the call to action for today? Download the mortgage calculator spreadsheet from the link below, run your numbers, and let me know in the comments how many years you managed to shave off your mortgage. And can I also make you feel better? How I made myself feel better? $100 is a dinner for 2 people. If you stop going for dinner in a month, just once, go for the remainder of the time. If you stop going for dinner once in a month, that's the $100 you want to pay towards the principal, which will help you save $17,500 in interest. Check out in the spreadsheet. If you like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up, subscribe, or just leave a comment. Yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Have a good one, guys.